Before we start, please subscribe, it really helps the channel.
Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to get profile customization like I have here, about me. As you can see, I can edit my profile, change stuff. I don't have Nitro, so I can't change my profile banner, but I'm going to be showing you how to get it even if you don't have it. There's no waiting, you don't need to download anything, so I'm going to be teaching you. Okay, the first thing you want to do, I've disabled profile customization for this account. As you can see, I can't customize it. My about me is still there, but I can't change it because it's not activated for me. All you have to do is go to the experiments tab if you do have it. If you don't have it, I'm gonna put this really nifty code in the description. This will enable experiments for you. As you can see, there's nothing really suspicious about it. You can look over it yourself or whatever. I didn't make it, by the way, some guy made it. So that will enable experiments, and all you need to do is search up profile, and you'll find custom profiles premium. And you want to switch this to treatment 1 instead of control, and boom, there we have it. You can change your about me. If you have Nitro, you can change your profile, and that's how it works.